Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best microwave ovens that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Toshiba EM131A5 CBS is a versatile 1.2 cubic foot countertop appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. Featuring a sleek stainless steel finish, it boasts a stylish yet practical design, complete with a large easy-to-grip door handle and a spacious 12.4-inch diameter turntable to ensure even cooking. The digital control panel is user-friendly, equipped with a clock and kitchen timer, and an LED interior light enhances visibility. This microwave is not just about looks, it also offers robust functionality with 1,100 watts of power across 10 power levels, providing precise cooking capabilities. One of the standout features of this microwave is its smart sensor technology, which automatically adjusts cooking parameters based on the moisture levels in the food, ensuring optimal results every time. The microwave includes one-touch buttons for popular items like popcorn, potatoes, pizza, reheating, and frozen vegetables, making it incredibly convenient for quick meals. The memory function allows users to store up to 3 favorite time and power combinations, while the Quick Start feature adds cooking time in 30-second increments, offering flexibility in cooking. Energy efficiency is also a focus, with an eco mode available to reduce power consumption. Additionally, the mute function can silence beeps, adding to the user-friendly nature of this appliance. The interior is easy to clean, thanks to its painted finish, and the large digital display and intuitive control panel further simplify operation. The Toshiba EM131A5 CBS also includes practical features like defrosting by time and weight, a clock, and a kitchen timer. The stylish exterior combined with a large interior capacity ensures it can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease. Its quiet operation, even heating, and efficient defrosting make it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Overall, this microwave offers a perfect blend of design, functionality, and performance, making it a top choice for everyday cooking needs. The GE 3-in-1 Countertop Microwave is a versatile and multifunctional kitchen appliance that merges the functionalities of a microwave, air fryer, and convection oven. It is a space-saving solution for those looking to streamline their cooking processes without compromising on versatility. With a 1 cubic foot capacity and 1050 watts of power, it ensures efficient cooking and heating. The air fryer mode promotes healthier eating by cooking crispy foods without excessive oil, while the convection mode allows for even heat distribution for baking and roasting. The microwave function handles everyday tasks like reheating and defrosting with ease. This appliance is equipped with digital controls that are user-friendly and intuitive, making it simple to set cooking times and temperatures. Safety is enhanced with a child lock feature, preventing unintended use. The Cooking Complete Reminder and Express Cook feature add to its convenience, allowing users to add extra cooking time with a single button press. The stainless steel finish not only provides a sleek and modern look, but is also easy to clean, maintaining the appliance's aesthetic appeal. The GE 3-in-1 Countertop Microwave is highly rated for its ability to cook a wide range of dishes, from crispy snacks to baked goods, and is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices due to its compact design. The included accessories, such as the crisper pan and special rack for convection mode, enhance its functionality. Overall, this appliance is valued for its ease of use, versatility, and efficient performance, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The Panasonic NN-SN686S is a versatile 1.2 cubic foot countertop microwave oven that combines power and technology in a sleek stainless steel finish. With 1,200 watts of power, it features Panasonic's innovative inverter technology, which ensures even cooking by delivering a constant stream of variable power. This technology helps prevent the common microwave problem of overcooked edges and undercooked centers. A standout feature of the Panasonic NN-SN686S is its Genius sensor, which automatically adjusts cooking power and time based on the type and amount of food. This microwave includes 14 sensor cooking categories, allowing for precise cooking of various items such as pizza, frozen vegetables, and popcorn. The one-touch sensor reheat function makes reheating leftovers or beverages simple and efficient with a single touch. The microwave's 13.5-inch glass turntable ensures even cooking and can accommodate larger dishes. Additional features include a child lock for safety, easy-to-clean interior, and a stylish stainless steel design that complements any kitchen decor. The Keep Warm feature maintains the temperature of foods until they are ready to be served, making it ideal for soups and gravies. Overall, the Panasonic NN-SN686S is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable feature-rich microwave with advanced cooking technology and a modern design. Its combination of power, sensor cooking, and ease of use makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking needs. The Breville Compact Wave Soft Close Microwave is a countertop microwave designed to blend functionality with space efficiency, making it an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or those who require a compact microwave solution. With a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, it is suitable for a variety of household needs without taking up excessive counter space. One of its standout features is the soft close door, which significantly reduces noise by 80% compared to traditional microwave doors, ensuring a quieter kitchen environment. This microwave offers intuitive cooking shortcuts and a food menu with pre-programmed settings for common tasks such as reheating pizza, defrosting vegetables, and cooking potatoes, making everyday cooking tasks simpler and more efficient. In addition to its compact size and quiet operation, the microwave is equipped with several user-friendly features. It includes a child lock for added safety, a mute button to silence beeps, and a 30-second instant start function for quick reheating. With 900 watts of cooking power, it delivers efficient performance for a wide range of cooking needs. The intelligent engineering behind this microwave automatically adjusts power levels for optimal results, enhancing its convenience and ease of use. Overall, the Breville Compact Wave Soft Close Microwave stands out as a practical and efficient appliance, combining advanced features with a compact design to suit modern kitchen spaces. The Cuisinart CMW70 is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact and efficient appliance for small kitchens, dorms, or break rooms. With a 0.7 cubic foot capacity, it comfortably fits a dinner plate or a bowl of soup, making it perfect for quick meals. Its 700-watt power ensures it can handle most frozen meals and popcorn with ease. One of the standout features of the CMW70 is its 11 power levels, which offer flexibility for cooking a wide variety of foods, from delicate sauces to hearty frozen dinners. The microwave is user-friendly, featuring touchpad controls that are intuitive even for those unfamiliar with microwaves. It includes 6 pre-programmed buttons for popular items like popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetables, beverages, and reheating, simplifying the cooking process. The memory function is a convenient addition, allowing users to save their favorite settings for future use. Additionally, the 2-stage cooking function enables cooking at 2 different power levels, perfect for recipes requiring varied cooking times and temperatures. Defrosting is made easy with options to defrost by weight or time, catering to different needs. The microwave boasts a modern design with stainless steel accents, adding a sleek touch to any kitchen decor. It also includes advanced features such as inverter technology, which ensures quicker, more even cooking with less noise and lower energy consumption, and Sensor Cook, which automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature for optimal results. Overall, the Cuisinart CMW70 microwave is a versatile and easy-to-use appliance packed with features that cater to everyday cooking needs. Its blend of functionality and stylish design makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen.